Alright, so we're here at Chick Fil A. Let's actually go eat, have a good time. Where's it at? Surprise!
¡Llegamos! ¡Surprises! ¡Mire lo que le compré yo! ¡Jocelyn, mire! ¡Que se mira bien guapo! ¡Que se mira bien guapo, dijo! ¡Surprise! Te compré sábanas para la cama, pero las tengo que lavar. ¿Quieres que te la lave? Sí.
Well, thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Mira. Está bien suavecito.
I'll unbox them while we're eating.
Nomás que, como tú tienes agua caliente. ¿Para meter los botes?
No.
¿Para meter los botes?
Ah. Sí, aquí están en mi bolsa.
No tengan desmadita, ten cuidado porque si están los dos. Te está viendo. Ay, papi. Niño. Oh, y ahora? What happened?
Just came in the same color.
I know.
Boy.
Te dije que we were twins.
Just taking a picture. Oh, thank you, bro.
Your vlog?
Yeah, just recording it. Yeah. Mom, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Because we're next. Well, let's...
Sí, ay, pues son un ratito.
I don't even know which one's ours. I think this one's ours. Oh. Oh, then it shouldn't really matter.
No, but your mom only likes ice.
Oh. Oh,
One
that's
of them
true.
is ice, one of them is
Cool.
So,
Yo tengo la seis.
Seis que.
Are you, what dressing are you going to leave your
¿Está bien entonces?
Sí.
You saw your water?
Y luego falta la lemonade.
Oh, yeah. Well, right now, tell her.
Pues le compré una juguete y no se le traje. Y compré un libro y no se lo traje.
Let's pray. Alright, thank you, Heavenly Father, for this great mercies and pray, God, that you will all the Lord, and Jesus, Father, pray, bless us. We thank you, Lord. Oh, I don't know. I also want more of these.
¿Qué pediste esa cita?
Eso, barbecue. Oh, and I also asked for 10. They only give us 3.
Alex, I think this was what Alex got. They didn't need
Tiene que falta la limonada.
No, but they didn't because there's more right here.
Falta la limonada y falta más
Well, I want more.
Dile
Yes,
que
I guess. But we're still waiting on his lemonade. Which did they charge it? 2 orders or? No, I think it was just one. I don't think they added it.
What? His lemonade?
I don't see it here.
Those in the top.
Look at it.
Soda. Yeah, because it was with his meal.
Oh, then check them up top. I think it should be the first one.
SH Sprite.
Oh yeah, that one.
What is
We
that?
also get like
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that.
Oh no, you're good. Yes. Can we get 5 more Chick Fil A and then what's
What kind of?
then 2 more of these? Yes.
And they give me a creamy sauce. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Man, we're still waiting for that.
Yeah.
It's like a restaurant.
Yeah?
Mira, mi carriola se hace así, se volvía. Pero hasta allá con la abuelita.
Oh, thank you very much.
Y hasta allá con la abuelita. Ay, y se me expandieron también.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, right now?
Yeah, he was waiting, I guess, to move, like the move order. And then he was like getting my attention. And I looked, he's like, ¿y el bebé? He was like, and I was like, what's there con su abuelita? He said, ay, me espanté.
Girl? Boy?
Más falta el spray, ¿verdad?
El Sprite y
La
sí,
bebida
unas
y
cosas que les pedí.
Las hachas.
Este es todo tuyo, mía.
No, yo no agarré.
Mientras traen ya lo sabemos.
Alrighty,
Thank you.
thanks a lot, man.
Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, thank you.
Anything else? Would you like any details, any sauces, anything?
No, I think we should be good. Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Oh, they come with a little barbecue, huh?
Huh?
Oh, what's this? Oh, for like this.
Oh, that's for the salad.
Hey, this one's good.
Yeah, it's good. I've never tried that one.
Go try it.
Oh, wow, it's good. La boca, todo.
I'll keep coming back just for this.
It's good. Hopefully they don't take it off, but I think they do, huh?
What's leaving?
Limited edition. I'm gonna give you my sauces.
Like, remember the pimento one?
Oh, yeah. There's that chili sauce I didn't bring it, huh?
Check in there.
Oh.
¿No tenías papas gratis? ¿Nomás unas papas? ¿No tenías papas gratis?
Sí, pero cuando agarras combo no te deja agarrar las papas. No tienes que agarrar separadas.
Yo tengo un amigo que me ama. Tú no ves que sí. Yo tengo un amigo que me ama. Tú no ves que sí. What? Yo tengo un amigo que me ama.
Just like a little bit. Okay. Should I kill the whole thing?
Yo tengo un amigo que me ama.
Just spray it.
Tú no ves.
Ahora tú.
Sounds so good. You say that, huh?
¿Despertó rápido?
¿Eh?
¿Despertó rápido?
Like I was the new guy that was getting trained last time.
Oh, really?
But you gotta do it right. You gotta do it right. Y llora, llora, llora y no se queda dormido.
And then he saw me.
This is grandma.
salsa. Este es cero.
Oh, what's the name of the sauce?
Sweet and spicy.
Sweet and spicy. Oh, really?
Please?
Yeah.
Get three?
3?
Yeah, I'm not here.
Always messing up.
Always. ¿Qué vas a entrar mañana?
Las 5.
Ya left today to Vegas, ¿no?
Yesterday, ¿no?
No, que mañana, miércoles, iba a Las Vegas.
Oh.
Mañana se va. Thank you so much. Maybe. I saw she posted. She was driving. ¿Muy dulce? It's great. So fun.
Maybe yesterday she was tired.
Yeah, after the game. And then looked like she was driving. I thought she said her uncle. Your uncle was
Porque
driving.
iba a manejar su tío y luego ella. No sé si ella de ella de Chick Fil A.
¿Todo bien? Sí, ¿no?
It was that much? Oh.
We already got
Already? Oh, yeah.
So I wish my mom would have come and she was preguntarme like, hey Alex, you want some beer pops? Sería bien, man.
Esta viene a tomar.
No.
Did she get like, my mom would have come?
It's because I don't like wasting a lot of money.
Yo tengo un amigo que me ama. I like when they waste the phone. Just kidding. No, it doesn't.
Like my mom, she'll buy me stuff. Like she won't really call me and say if I want like a Bose speaker or yeah, but she will buy stuff.
Oh, she wanna get the 130 ones.
So I told her to get you the cable ones. You got 20?
And then I didn't get what kind of stuff. The night. ¿Por qué no se quiere vivir? Good night. I've never been denied in my life. Denied.
Creo que yo también no me dejaron la primera vez. Pero un día yo me acuerdo que nomás dije, déjame tratar otra vez. Y sí me agarró.
Pues intentó 2 veces.
Ajá.
3 veces.
¿Quién?
¿Me?
Oh.
Y ahí dice que no te lo dan que porque tienes mal crédito, que debes, pues, pero pues ya no tienes nada de eso. Digo que habla el crédito, a ver qué le dicen. Ahí está un número para hablar. ¿Cuál es el error o qué? ¿Por qué? Iba a agarrar mi neo laptop. Ay. Y nada.
You were?
Si tienes
I was like, what is she going to buy?
Pues lo había comprado.
Because they were...
Era Best Buy. You saw it. Ahí está lo mismo.
Yeah, I saw it there too.
Por el mismo precio. Okay.
Oh, tomorrow. I'm gonna buy some grasshoppers from my blizzard.
Right, Best Buy. And then I was like,
Once I go to the Apple store, I'll get the Apple Card. I'll do no interest.
Why? Did I tell you why?
The low credit score.
Not enough funds.
It said, it could be I have a low credit score. It could be I have a lot of debt, a lot of medical debt, things that I guess I haven't paid. And it sent me an email. I checked the email, my credit score is 692.
Is that good?
No, that's bad.
Yeah, why?
I don't know.
No es malo.
I don't think so.
No es malo.
I saw it, I wanted to buy.
El malo es que
That was wrong.
Do you have a lot of cards?
No, I don't have a car payment. I don't have
No cards.
No. The only thing I have is Best Buy, but that's the fridge and the TV.
And that's not affecting you?
No, that's not even a lot of money.
no le
Get the
dieron.
loan.
Yo es lo que no le dieron ni en la Best Buy si hubiera algo.
Pero ya le da Best Buy ya se dice cuándo.
Es lo que robaron.
So I'm thinking that I had a school loan. I had a school loan, and then it got frozen after like COVID, y estaban cobrando. And for a while, I would forget, I wouldn't log in anymore when it was unfrozen. So I think I had a lot of late payments. But recently, I paid it off. But it still hadn't processed, so I don't know if because of that, my score dropped. So no wonder it was getting denied. They were like, we're not going to give you anything. I was like, so now I have to wait till it processes the payment to see if it goes up again. And if not, I'll just have to work on it to get it back up. I have to call. I'm supposed to call today and I don't call. To give me the reason. It says you could call. The guy was like, you can call and ask them like why your credit score dropped.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I mean, if I got it, then you should have gotten it too.
What should give you
¿No
1,000?
sabes cuánto está tu crédito?
No, my limit right now to waste on that card is like 4K.
Okay.
¿Tú no sabes cuánto está tu crédito a ti? Nunca está
And I never. And I Google this is 692 average is good.
Well, it's like, yeah, but
Pero like a good score would be from 720 and up. So I'm almost there, pero. Luego le preguntamos al muchacho, I got denied, and he's like, well, can I ask you some questions? And I was like, yeah, do you have any debt or your credit score? And I was like, he's like, because it's outside of us, it's in the background. Like,
Yeah.
How does that taste with the time?
good, you want to try it? I don't know.
Maybe. Lo que me llamó it tastes like the low salt.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah,
Perfect.
it's good.
Quiero comer la botella.
Ay, pa.
¿no está sucia?
It's pretty delicious.
I mean, they're fried.
La toma de la
They're fried. Yesterday,
I'm up for the day eating.
me too. Fue Chuy and my tío Juan yesterday. She wanted to see the baby. ¿Está ahí el bebé?
Wait, you guys?
¿Alguien no quiere más papas? ¿No quiere más papas?
I was sitting in my house thinking. Go home. He had him at the baby?
She, only when he was born, remember at the hospital? My tía
No, but
yesterday.
we went one other time to the house.
I thought she was your mom's sister. Oh no. Yeah, like your mom's sister. That's the guy.
The guy. Yeah, the guy.
Is that what it's for? Like for the clip of your
It's
shirt?
just it's to clip on a lot of things. But right now I'm just using it for my shirt.
His camera arrives tomorrow.
It's like a little magnet bracelet. You seen it? I think that's the newest one, huh?
Did you get the 2 or the 1?
Oh man, I think I got.
Or I think there's 2 separate
Well,
ones.
because there is a
No, there's the regular and the ultra.
OS, and then there's the ultra one. So I got the ultra. Newest one.
Yeah, I think the Ultra is the newest one.
Yeah, because it was making a comparison with the other two, and then the other one just. This one I think I got like
Say hi.
70.
Ya lloró.
El otro it was kind of
Creo que lo te...
it couldn't stand the camera by itself. It like wow,
Aquí estamos en Chico.
like the hour time was very long.
Oh, aquí estamos en
The
Chico.
ultra, I did my research. I think that's like unless there's like an ultra 2. But
Oh, que me hubieras hablado de venir de acá.
you have on you have on this work.
Ahí me habla. Ok, bye. Ajá.
You recognize them, huh?
Ok, bye. Ay, 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 bye. Bye, bye.
But the guy was telling us if we wanted to get insurance for it, that because that's usually an active sport camera. Like people use it to do like skateboarding, surfing.
It's an action camera.
Action, there you go.
This is an action camera.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, all the cameras that are like this, they're action cameras. People use them when they do sports,
Yeah.
all that.
I haven't thought about practicing a little bit and like kick flipping off a few stairs and
Yeah, you can do it.
No, because we didn't buy insurance.
No, pero
All done.